we are going to go for the solar panels. So we're ordering solar panels, an inverter and a battery to get us through this build. We're going to put the solar panels on top of this building, and then we're going to go with the cable to the inside of this building, and we're going to have the system in here. So I'm thinking the inverter and the batteries